What causes a tomato sauce to have a bitterness and getting rid of it? My tomato sauce is coming out great, lots of flavor, especially after I was able to reduce it following the tips here, see link 1. However, it is still slightly bitter. What causes a tomato sauce to have a, in my case, slight bitterness, and how do you get rid of it? Is there an anti-bitter technique that is commonly used?
A few things can cause tomato sauces to become bitter. Overcooked spices. Both basil and oregano can become bitter with long simmers. Add them near the end of the process. Underripe tomatoes. Store-bought tomatoes are often picked green and ripened in the store. These tomatoes make less sweet sauces, which may be contributing. Cooking in an aluminium pan. Aluminium reacts with the acid in the tomatoes and adds an off-putting flavor. Seeds, skin in the sauce. Both seeds and skins can be bitter. You can improve a bitter sauce by adding a small amount of baking soda or salt, and something sweet, but not too much. I've found the following to make tomato sauces bitter. Tomato seeds. Underripe tomatoes. Burnt garlic. Usually, adding sweetness helps somewhat, although letting the garlic get too brown, let alone burn it, can hardly be corrected for. Some things I've found to help. Extra carrot brown sugar.